Now, before you attempt to tear the tent camper down and pull it down, a couple of important things to remember. First, you have to remove that center support bar that we put up in the beginning. If that's not down, the tent will not fold down. Secondly, on 8-foot models and 10-foot models, always fold the tent side down at the kitchen end first. So kitchen end goes down first, and then the other end comes down on top of it. It goes in the box a little bit better that way. I'd like to thank you again for your purchase of a Quicksilver tent camper. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call at the factory or visit our website where you find all kinds of